Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, first aid kit, cargo cover, cargo net, cargo tray, tinted glass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.